Oh my god, does that look weird? I'm off to Norwich to record another batch of videos for Ashens with Stuart and a range of guests. So I'll be in Norwich for a few days. I ain't flying this time. Last time I was there, we did Will It Soda Stream. We are taking this to Norwich to do Will It Crepe. Bye!
Say
Bye, 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 bye! Look at this cake actually, look at this. Cheeky little cake. Is that yours?
It's mine.
Alright, well I'll leave you to it.
Mine.
I'll leave you to it.
Hey!
Bye! Alright, so here I am at the tennis club, about to go on that court and play, and then we're going to do the 4.5 hour drive to Norwich. Okay, I've just finished tennis and it's just gone 10:30. It's 9:45 in the evening. I'm not going to get to Norwich till around 2 AM. If I even make it there, I don't know what I'm going to do. In the words of Cher, if I could turn back time, I would have left tennis a little earlier. I got talking. Alright, let's drive. I need petrol, I need some food at some stage. I'm just going to go as far as I can, hopefully past London. I'm about a third of the way to Norwich, and it's like 11:30 at night now. Pretty tired. Why didn't I catch a plane? Alright folks, it is 2 AM. I don't know if you can see that. That says a travel lodge right there. There's the hotel. I'm hoping I've got a room. I'm like 20 minutes away from where I need to be, so this is ideal. If the next scene you see is me on a bed, we've done it. They don't have any rooms free. It's 3:30 in the morning. I had a little nap. I got really tired, but I've pushed it. I'm actually here in Norwich. That is a long, long drive. This has been a road trip and a half. So here we are, back in your kitchen.
In the 70s bar of doom.
I love it. And you might be able to get the ambience of a... Is that a Spitfire? People loved your setup when we did the Soda Stream video.
Amazing. I'm glad somebody does.
In fact, that was so popular and you guys were keen to see it so much, we are back, but we're not doing a Soda Stream.
Oh no.
No.
Today we have crepe expectations.
Oh! We've got this gadget that makes crepes. Basically, you were saying to me, the ones that they charge you an extortionate amount of money at market stalls.
That's it. Go to the French market or German market. They seem to be in any sort of market that's European. They stick a little bit of stuff down, bit of wood on a stick, around like that. That'll be £93.
There is a skill to that as well. And then you get like Nutella and bananas and that, real nice. But we're taking it up. We're giving it a little Barry and Ashens twist, a little Ashens twist.
Do you have the skill of the...
No.
Oh, me neither.
I've never done it before. Shall we make a batter?
Bloody let's.
And we'll whisk it through. So we pour that in.
Oh, whiskey business.
Yeah,
I think this is
that's good. Yeah, smooth, lump-free.
Nice.
Congratulations, you've now got a YouTube cooking channel.
About bloody time.
Alright, so we're not going to go too crazy on like reviewing this, unless you want to do full-on Ashens mode on it. It's basically a hot plate.
I'd burn my hands.
And oh my gosh, it's like a tug of war. Look at that, all you get is your instructions. You get your wooden tea piece, is that what we call it?
I like paddle.
Paddle, nice. And it's actually, the heating area here has got a lip on it, so you can't spill over your crepe. So we could probably...
Oh, that sounds like a challenge.
Yeah, we'll do our best.
Ooh, it's that first time heating up smell. Mm.
This was a lot like the toaster smell, but
how much do you think?
Just a little spray, and we've got some kitchen towel. Oh, coconutty, yeah, that's nice.
Oh, sorry, I've got it up your jumper there.
I like coconut aftershave on. All right, that's nice. Oh, that's really cool. It's like I feel like a DJ.
I think we've wiped it all off now.
Yeah, it's all on there. All right, so that's optional. Oh, here we go. Right.
Okay.
So then you grab your spreader, and then you go around. Whoa.
Oh, it has gone on here, but it has leaked. Yeah.
Oh no! Look, it's cooked too quick. Oh, sorry, we can add more.
Yep. Of the world's thickest crap. I mean, great. Oh God.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
I feel we haven't got the knack of it.
No.
Or it's a bit too hot.
I think it was a bit too hot. Yeah.
Do we need to knock it down to 2?
Yeah. Oh, I think it's still going to work though. You know. This stuff is deceptively strong. Just a little clumpy. It's all right, guys. We got this. Where have you gone? Help me.
Hey.
Hi. Woo! Yes!
My God!
We did it!
Looks like a proper one now.
I don't think we'll put you through this again. We'll just make 4, and then we'll show you our montage of fun ingredients. All right, Stu, are we ready?
We're as ready as we'll ever be, Barry. How often do we say that?
A lot. Yeah, actually, if you don't see the Ashens channel, Stuart and I, that's why I'm in Norwich. We're doing some epic filming tomorrow, so do check it out. Don't forget to have a little ganders. We're going to start easy, I think. A little baby food inspired one.
Baby food, you say?
You've got some pear and apple flavour.
That's not too bad, is it? I mean, it's better than, I don't know, mixed up peas and lamb or whatever this other stuff
I had that yesterday, actually.
Crumble up the rusk, do you reckon?
Yes, we have rusks. Do you guys know what rusks are? Retro, nostalgic. I grew up eating these as a baby. It is baby biscuits, but as an adult...
very sharp? I want to ask now.
Right?
Are they very high in sugar?
I hope not, but in the 80s the rules were a little bit more relaxed.
Yeah, everyone have 40 pints of Ribena and wonder why your child's teeth have fallen out.
So what do you think, rusk whole or...?
I reckon crush up that rusk.
Crush it. Oh! Apple and pear.
Oh, look at that.
That's going to be good, Stu. I think I like this. So a crepe, normally, you go over like that.
Okay.
And then they go in like that.
Oh, yeah.
So you've got, like, you stick that in a cone. Oh. But because we've got to share it, we'll stick it onto our board.
Okay.
And we'll make a bit... Oh, is this the thing?
This is the world's sharpest knife from one of my old videos.
That was actually a video, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And it did really well.
Because it is indeed the world's sharpest knife. If you drop it face down, it just goes straight to the Earth's core. It's amazing. Oh my goodness.
It does look good though. It looks like a bit of like, appley crumble vibe going on.
Right, I'm going in.
Wow.
Sorry, not too close to the camera.
That is really good.
That's not bad, actually.
I'm a baby again, eating my puree, but with the rusk, it's got that powderiness, that sort of wholesomeness. Ah.
I prefer it if it actually was like proper stewed fruit, as opposed to sort of more watery, babyish equivalent.
I was about to say the fruit. There's something in it. It's just, it's watery. It's not got as much sugar in it, which obviously for a kid,
That's good. Yeah, that I can live with. But the consistency of it is suboptimal crepes, I believe.
I don't think this is going to be the worst one. We got inspired in the supermarket.
By sausage rolls.
Sausage roll. Our idea was to remove the outer pastry shell and replace it with crepe. A crepage roll. So we're going to remove the sheath and expose the sausage. Where's this going? Wrap it in the crepe. And I reckon this will be nice as well.
Yeah. I can't see any major problems with this one.
No.
I'm about to learn, aren't I?
Licorice in with it or something.
Oh, no.
So yeah, we're going to take the pastry out and
That's
just
easy enough.
remove the sausage
Oh,
bit.
the horrifying...
Yeah, let's
Oh.
get that over there. Okay.
Okay, great.
It's like a little stick, isn't it?
That's the colour of it.
Yeah.
It's just all bread, really, isn't it, if I remember? With sort of little bits of meat and fat in.
Yeah, like a big fat stuffing ball. Can I borrow your world's sharpest... Wow, it's
Certainly.
sharp. That is a sharp knife, Stu.
Yeah. Superb.
Look at that.
Bloody hell.
Superb. She follows me on Twitter.
Who's that?
A girl called Superb. I'm serious. That's great. I've got to tell her what an amazing name she's got.
Soup.
Honestly. It's just a mass. There's no meat in that, really. It's just...
There is this... It's just bread, mostly.
Yeah,
It's bread and filler, a sausage roll,
It's like a
isn't it,
meaty
really?
coin.
Yeah.
Right. It doesn't really change anything to it. You still get the pastry.
Yeah. Occasional hint of something slightly more sweet.
Yeah. It's not that sort of barrier to break through so much, but crepage rolls are the future. Shall we up the ante a little bit? What's that phrase even mean? Is it auntie?
Auntie.
Auntie. Wait, but you're going to up an ant. You're not going to lift an ant up.
Auntie
Up
Pre.
the ante.
Yes! Ah! Supermarket sushi.
Yes.
Wow.
Sushi market.
So this is mackerel.
Yep.
Mackerel sushi, really?
It's a poor man's sushi.
Yeah. There's a bit of smoked salmon, prawns, obviously, and something that a cat has thrown up on the carpet.
It is not looking good. And you got your trademark pack of wasabi there.
Yep.
There's a bit of soy.
And what is that, pickled ginger?
There, yeah. I think we should go the whole
I
works.
hate pickled ginger. Definitely put some of that in.
So I think we might just go a little crazy on this.
Okay. Is the finesse
yeah.
that other cooking channels lack, I find.
We'll get it into the rice so it absorbs it and doesn't soak in to the
Yes,
crepe.
yeah, good shout.
Teeny bit of ginger, which I absolutely hate.
I hate pickled ginger as well.
Yeah, so let's add some on.
Yeah, as much as we can.
You know, at the end of the day, it's still sushi.
True, but I mean, you know, you could throw it in a sewer
I'm not,
and pull it out and it'd still be sushi, Barry. But,
yeah, that's very, yeah. That is good.
Again, we have very different ideas about what good means, Barry.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, do not want.
Huh? I said I'd take you out for dinner tonight.
Just to take away the taste of lunch. Oh, wasabi. Oh, wasabi. Oh.
What ginger?
Ah, you got the ginger. Oh, I got a bit of ginger.
That's so weird.
Oh. It does.
This feels wrong.
Just taste like a load of mashed up sushi with something unpleasantly sweet that shouldn't be in there.
And because it's so cold, I mean, sushi's supposed to be cold, but the crepe as well, it's kind of like having a wet flannel wrapped around your sushi that you're supposed to eat with it, isn't it?
It's just not
It's
working.
just like clinging to it going, and you're all going down. But the soy, the ginger I didn't like, but and the texture of the rice.
Yeah, it's just not working with that crepe at all.
No, it's a
That's
load
not
of
a good
crepe.
thing.
We saved the best till last.
Well, at last, a classic combination like you would find at any market or fun fair. Belgian chocolate eclairs.
Really nice. Choux pastry buns, cream, chocolate. Nice. What's not to love?
And Tabasco brand habanero sauce. Isn't this the really hot one?
Yeah.
Great.
I mean, there are hotter sauces out there,
yeah.
but there is no world that I can imagine that I've ever come across where a chocolate eclair, cream eclair, goes served with a hot sauce, a habanero sauce.
No, can't
Apart
think of a
from
single
this one.
It's like a bleeding all over it. Bleeding pain. Oh man, you put tons on.
I don't know. I don't really do that much sauce, so I don't know if is that too much?
Well, we're going to find out.
Oh, I can smell it.
Yep.
Wow.
It's actually eating through the plate.
I think it's like just burnt off my nostril hairs. See, you could go to a restaurant and be served that and think, yes.
An eclair and a crepe. What could possibly go wrong? Answer, hot sauce.
Oh, the smell. It's so strong.
The smell of success is not what I'm smelling, Barry. Right.
It looks like a sausage roll like that. It looks like
it does.
Yeah, but it's not.
It's really not, as we're about to demonstrate.
I'm going big on this one.
Good for you. Oh, there's so much sauce.
Oh my god. That is hot.
It's really hot, and B, it's really disgusting.
Oh, the cream.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm getting the sauce now. Woo! It's soaked into the crepe.
The flavour of the sauce does not go with the rest at all, does it?
Mine sort of weaved in with the cream, and it was like a weird sort of angry, fiery cream. And then the eclair had gone. It's like, I'm out of here. And then it's soaked into the crepe. And, but I don't think that if we had a real hot sauce then, I think we would have been in serious trouble. But that, woo!
It's not going to win the awards, Barry.
No.
This is award for stupidest crepe. Crikey.
It goes our pitch to Greg's to replace their vegan sausage roll. Yeah.
You know you've run out of it, lads.
Yeah.
Have you thought of sticking an eclair in a crepe? Load of hot
Vegan
sauce.
crepe.
Yeah.
That's all vegan. Oh no, apart from the cream.
Yeah, apart from the several ingredients.
Yeah, all of it, yeah. Well, I think the question was, will it crepe? Yes, it will.
But should it crepe? They were so concerned with if they could crepe, they didn't stop to think if they should crepe.
This is quite a good thing, though. I was quite impressed with this.
Yeah, that does the job.
It was quite
really
cheap,
does.
quite good for a party, maybe.
Yeah.
But you can easily make it in a pan. It's just the same as what we make here on Pancake Day, really. So.
Plus, if you're in an 80s film and having a fight with somebody to the death, in the middle of it, you can grab their face and stick them on it. It's really hot, and they go, ah! Because there's a scene like that in every 80s action film.
And then the pancake could be on their face, and it's sort of like real cheap special effects. Like, ah!
Is it their skin coming off? No, it's just pancake.
Yeah. Well, there you are, folks. If you missed the search streaming video we did on Stuart's channel, which was also here.
Whoa.
Oh. The soda stream video. And the video we're about to do with Stuart trying out something, what is it? Kebab thing.
Yeah, it's an instant kebab, so to speak. A microwavable kebab from Tesco.
Nice.
It cost about 10 pence or something. It looks bad.
Yeah, well, check that out on Stuart's channel, and of course do give Ashens a little glance over and see what you think of what we're doing there. We have a lot of fun, we've got some cool guests, and I think I'm going to go have an apple one now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all three.
Oh, that was disgusting, man.
Huh?
That was disgusting.